Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.1.18 Sheet Tab Names. There are 3 types of tab sheet names: 10 administrative, 12 elevation, 174 cost workup. Cost workup sheet names are complicated and there are a lot. Grouping the cost workup sheet tabs is discussed below. Describing how cost workup sheet names are created follows. Cost workup sheet names first identify the format from 1 to 7. Next, the component or part is identified. Then the section in which the item is located is identified. Then the name clarifies the item with a combination of part location, sub-feature designation, position, and direction. The combination varies by item. For example, sheet name 3DRWR S1 BSE A or L BX LWR, which means format 3, drawer, section 1, base, all or left, box, lower. First, the format is 3. The component is a drawer. The section is 1. The part location is base. Subfeature is all or left. Position is the box. And direction is lower. Name structure is the same for same component variations. For example, if there is a drawer above this drawer, the same name applies, except the last 3 letters are UP1, not LWR. That is 3 DRWR S1 BSE A or L UP1, which means format 3, drawer, section 1, base, all or left, up 1. Quibbling about terminology is expected, but quibbling will not change the structure of the tab names. A complete list of the worksheet names is laid out on the project cost summary sheet in columns C through I, rows 27 through 200. A simpler example, 1 BSE S_1 means format 1, base, section 1. The tab name 1 BSE S_2 means format 1, base, section 2. Same name structure with a different section number. Sheet sequence is organized, thus finding sheets is easier. The worksheet tabs are one method to switch sheets. Sheet tab names are used in formula, do not change them. Administrative sheet names describe the type of sheet information. Data on the sheet is generally what the tab name says it is. For example, instructions describes this administrative sheet. Elevation sheet names identify the component or part on the sheet. Information on the sheet is generally what the tab name says it is. Cost workup sheets are grouped by section, starting with section 1. Within the section, the sheets will be listed, figuratively speaking, from the ground up. For example, the initial package includes 52 sheets in section 1. The first 9 tabs are items related to the base. The next 9 tabs are items related to the display. The next 7 tabs are items that are in or adjoin a display. Then the 4 tabs are items related to the bulkhead. 7 sheets are for lightbox related items, 1 sheet for a shroud. Finally, 15 sheets of electrical related items. Total sheets in section 1 is 52. The sequence attempts to synchronize cost workup with shop process. Section 1 has the most sheets. All sections follow the same sequence. Sheets, not the columns and rows on the sheets, can be arranged at the user's discretion. This example 2.1.18 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.1.19.